Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laser MFP 135W printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check out PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find settings or about options, scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. You can free to go to the any web browser, and in search type HP Laser MFP 135W printer and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name. Open first link. And official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name, and here we find our operating system and bit. If bit is not right or operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows, and from version select Windows 10 32-bit, then 32-bit, Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit and click on the update. It's refresh this page or web or this box. After that, scroll down. And here we find two IMP options. If it's not expand, then expand driver product installation software and find basic drivers or this recommended driver. I go with the recommended and I click on this download. It's redirect you to the another HP page and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. It's take few seconds to completely download these drivers on our PC or laptop. Download is complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Go to our zip file or setup file. This is the actual zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK, and unzip process is started on our PC or laptop. Here we find newly unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type the printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds and click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The new options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation, click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer, HP or HP printer device or anything about HP, then select that. And if you not find any HP port, then select USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Find any USB port and select any USB port that you find. I find it, so I click on that USB port and click on next. Here we find hard disk. Click on hard disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find the printer. Double click on it. Here we find one file SPL. Double click on it, and here we find our driver. This is our drivers. Select that. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find HP Laser MFP 131, 133, 135, and 139. In this series printer, our printer name HP Laser MFP 135W is also included. So select this printer name and click on next. Give any name that you like. I give the 135W. I give this name HP Laser MFP 135W. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer, and it's take few minutes to install this printer on our PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer on your network or your other printer networks, then select that, or other computers, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer and click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Laser MFP 135W, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.